This is 2022 and we're starting a greenhouse from scratch. Hi and welcome to Gary's Kitchen. With any good kitchen, produce is a key ingredient. With any greenhouse, you need to completely take all the soil out when you start again for a new year, so you don't get any diseases in your tomatoes and stuff. Been out to B&Q, bought some nice compost. Always wear gloves, of course, very important. All the old soil we have put into the new vegetable patch outside the greenhouse. We're going to put some more compost on top of that, some topsoil to give it a good healthy grow. This year we're going to do a system called the Three Sisters. We're going to do sweet corn, beans and squash. So that's the Three Sisters developed in Northern America. Going to top the soil up on this one a little bit low. Don't want it too much on top. You want the shoots to be able to come through. No label on this one, so the gnome is in charge. It's going to be a chili plant. Okay, we're going to put the runner beans in and label those. We're going to keep watering the seeds over the next 2 weeks to keep them hydrated. Got the sweet corn next to the runner beans, followed by the plum tomatoes just here. And finally the radish. Love a good radish.
2 weeks later.
So it's already been 2 weeks. The greenhouse is already looking greener. The shoots have started shooting. Exciting times. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so 2 weeks on, the radishes were the first to start sprouting little shootlings. Tomatoes, as of yet, have not shown any sign of growth. Sweet corn has started getting some shoots coming out of it, which is nice. The beans have started poking their little heads through as well. And the biggest grower so far is the lettuce. It's got nice shoots. And yesterday, the cucumbers, they started shooting as well. Still no sign of a chili. So in here, I've put some multi-purpose compost, and on top of that, I'm going to put some plant grow, and the lettuce and the radishes I think will go in here. Then on this side, we are going to put the tomatoes here, I think, and then the cucumbers just there. So as we go around a greenhouse, you may wonder why there are loads of milk containers full of water. We did this last year. Apparently this is a really great way to keep the heat in the greenhouse, so the water gets hot during the summer days, and then overnight it's like a little radiator. A nice cheap way to use recycled milk bottles to keep the greenhouse hot during the evening. And now it's time for some beautiful greenhouse B-roll. Thank you so much for watching this episode. That is the end of episode 1 of starting a greenhouse from scratch. This is April 2022. We've got the tomatoes in, cucumbers in, corn in, beans in, and some lettuce and some kale. So we'll get updates on how they're doing in the next video. Please like and subscribe, click the little bell down below for updates, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye now. That was the end of this episode. That was how to start a greenhouse from scratch.